On this video, you're gonna learn how to create an account on Palmyra Comdex. So this is the landing page, and all you have to do is go on the top right up here and click on the Access button. Now there's two ways that you can create an account onto Palmyra. First is that you can sign in with Google if you have a Google email, or you can just sign up by putting your email and your password. So this is what we're gonna go do now. We're gonna go sign up, and we're going to click on the I want to buy commodities. We click continue, and this is where you're going to create your email, and then you'll put your password and you'll confirm your password. As you can see, I've added my email account and my password, and then I'll have to go down here and agree on the terms and conditions and privacy statement. Then you're gonna click on send verification email, and on this stage is where you're going to have to go to your email and verify your account. Here, as you can see, I just verified my email account. Make sure you check your junk folder as well, or your spam folder, because sometimes the email might be there. So now we're gonna click continue, and this is where we're gonna have to add our phone number. So here we got the code, and you just have to put the PIN and verify. Now this is where you're gonna have to put your personal information, such as your first name, your last name, and the name of the business you're signing up. So here I just put my personal information. We're gonna hit continue. And on this page is where we're gonna have to put some information about our business, such as the business name, a company website, registration number, VAT ID, the industry that you're in, and the entity type. Now some more information about the location of the business. So you're just gonna have to add your company address, the country, the city, and the zip code. And this is where it's gonna ask you to validate your ID, but that's something that you can do later. So for now, you can just hit the skip button, and your registration has been successful.